The Alpha Street team is very proud of each of the products they make, but they are especially proud of the Energy 23 Cabin C model with automated roof and cabin. This 23-foot-long vessel offers comfort for up to 8 people with luxurious detailing. The cockpit is equipped with a lot of real mahogany, which complements the luxury details. Each part on board is user-friendly. A small kitchen with a fridge and the cabin give it a yacht feeling. The automated roof on the cabin ensures enough fresh air and light in the cabin. More than 2 meters in length, it has enough space for 2 people inside. A folding table in the cabin and in the cockpit are custom-made to fit and serve its purpose. While you can hide in the shade under the roof, there is space to spend time in the sun on deck. The Alpha Street team performed simulations on the hull and pool tests on this model, and all tests passed with flying colors. But it was when the boat was put into water that the results were just off the charts. The idea was to build a boat for those with experience and those who know what they want. Anyway, the tests show that the boat is extremely easy in maneuvering at high speeds and at controlled speeds in the marina as well. Of course, bow thrusters in the marina helps a lot with those with less experience. 2 different hulls are available for this model, a planing hull and a displacement hull. Energy 23 CS can be equipped with a gasoline or diesel motor. An electric version is available too. On our webpage, you can find other technical details and brochures. The convenient swim platform gives a lot of chance to have water fun or enjoy the sunset. We asked passers-by what they think about this boat. The answer which best describes this boat was, "I would like to have one, and I hope that I will one day."